Hello, I'm going to show you how to create synchronous web conferences using Desire to Learn. First, we're going to go to Content. Then we're going to add a module called Web Conferencing. And then we're going to go and we're going to add existing activities. So one thing to note about Desire to Learn is that there is no web conferencing service that comes with the service. You have to use an external tool, which you have to purchase an external tool. So to do that, we're going to click External Learning Tools. And for my purposes, I have access to Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. So we'll scroll through these activities and we'll add that by clicking the link. Now we have our folder or module created with the Blackboard Collaborate Ultra link. In order to create our conference, we're going to click that link. In order to create a session, we're going to go over here to the Create Session button. And then it'll ask us to provide some information. First, we'll start with this, which is the name. And then it'll provide some different accesses, the event date, start and end dates. I'm going to change this to tomorrow. You can also set up early entry. Another thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to allow moderators to supervise all private chats. You can also allow participants to share audio, video, post chat messages, draw on the whiteboard and files, etc. Provide moderator permissions. And there's like a lot more that you can do. But for right now, we're just going to click Save. And then we have the web conference here, so let's go ahead and click it. Now that we've saved it, we can go ahead and join the session. Okay, so now that we're in, we have a few things. We have a settings tab here in the upper left-hand corner. You can start recording of the session. You can use the phone for audio and a lot more. Down here, you can control what students are seeing. You can share video, you can share audio, and you can raise your hand. And here is statuses and settings when you click on your profile. Over here are the attendees. Right now, I am listed as a moderator. And then if you click the purple tab on the left, you have the chat. You can also share content by clicking this or alter settings further. So those are the quick basics. I'm going to go back and I'm going to leave the session.